Alright guys, we got this sick ass package from breezefabrication.com. This guy does super sick fab work. He makes like panhard bars for 8.6s, makes test pipes. He's even doing like half cages and like 4-link setups. And he sent us a panhard bar for Ben's 8.6. So we're gonna open it up, check it out, put it on Ben's 8.6. Yeah, if you want anything fabricated, I'm sure he could make you other stuff if you send him a DM. Does really good work. I mean, as we're about to see, this shit's sexy.
Yeah, let's open it up, man.
All right, are you ready, Ben?
Yeah. Are you excited, Ben?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, first we bought Ben a brand new car.
Yeah.
Now we're just getting him parts, right?
That's awesome.
First unboxing on the channel. I don't know how I feel about that.
We should just turn into an unboxing channel.
Yeah, we really should.
Okay, so this panhard bar is aircraft grade 4130 chromoly.
Oh, nice.
Thanks. Memorize that one. It's TIG welded. I mean, this guy's welds are the best I've seen. Look at that. Look at that packaging.
Whoa.
Oh, Ben, you
Big nail tube.
We actually need to keep that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need that.
Here. Get ready for the sexiest piece of fabrication you've ever seen. Shut up, man. Look at that.
It's in a sealed box, sealed bag.
This is the guy. If you need anything, like 4-link setups, test pipes, panhard bars, you can probably weld the other stuff, but like this guy's fabrication.
It looks like he did send me the test pipe.
Yeah, I think we'll open that up after. But look at that. Look at his, even his logo
like,
is so sick.
That.
It's like clear coated. See how light it is.
I guess that's the chromoly.
Alright,
Whoa.
let's show the
Wait.
fab.
Hold on.
Hold it steady for a sec. Also looking real nice, man.
This is probably the nicest panhard bar I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I'm gonna be dirty.
Alright, chuck it in, Ben.
Alright.
Wait, this is too beautiful. I don't even know. Like,
Yeah.
look at these. Are these Heim joints?
Yeah.
Okay, honestly, if you're gonna get a panhard bar or anything, you have to hit this guy up. His website and his Instagram will be linked in the description. His Instagram is breezefab. Check it out, even just for some weld porn. Like, this is insane.
No doubt, eh?
This is so nice. I'm getting jealous.
That's too nice for my 8.6.
It's a bit too nice for Ben's 8.6. Like, even his logo is so sick.
Sean Pizza on Dem Beats.
Alright, he also sent us another box. I think it's a test pipe, so we'll open this up. Whatever it is, you know it's gonna be beautiful.
How is it so light?
It's chromoly, man.
So it's from Chromolia?
That's where all the pirates are, right?
Okay. That's in the Caribbean.
Why is this packing so good? Oh, it is test pipe. What? That's so sick. The gaskets and the hardware. I think the hardware isn't there for the pan.
Yeah, it is. There's a bag.
Like, look at that.
What's this
Oh, you can
for?
put his logo on.
What's this for?
Test pipe.
That's what 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's decent, man.
Look at these fucking dimes he's stacking down here, man.
Those are like little pennies.
I can do
Those are
better.
crazy.
It's crazy.
All this stuff is so nice. Like, you gotta buy something. You won't be disappointed. And his prices are reasonable. Like, you'll literally pay the same, like, for like a Megan panhard bar or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, Ben, chuck this shit in, man.
Okay.
That's stop distracting me, Ben.
Nelson, go sit in the corner.
This is like art. Let's leave it here.
I know. It's almost like too good to put on a card. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's so sick.
It's like good Corolla size too. Like normally test pipes are like 3 inch. Those are like
Yeah.
It's like perfect Corolla spec.
This guy, I'm telling you.
Okay, now I
Alright,
gotta figure out
Ben.
how to jack this up. So the 8.6 has a solid axle, so you mount one end onto the axle and one end on the body. And then when you lower the car, the stock one is like so long that when you lower it, it kind of pushes one wheel out to the side. So with these, you can just shorten them and then make the axle sit perfectly in the center. It doesn't really matter if you have like crappy spec wheels, but wider spec wheels, you want it to be perfectly in the middle so it doesn't rub.
If you have an 8.6, you need one of these. And if you have an 8.6, you're not gonna buy a bum ass Megan or something one for the same price you get this absolutely beautiful Breeze Fab one for. So you better hit that link in the description. You better hit him up on Instagram. You better buy some stuff. Also, you better buy like a test pipe from this because this is just beautiful. This is gonna be the nicest part in your car for sure.
Support the cause. Like these are nice.
Yeah, this is like stupid nice.
Yeah, and while you're at it, maybe pick up some Moist Boys merch too, right?
Yeah. Also link in the description.
Yeah,
Also
whatever.
some Petro Canada merch.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, I had a Cusco one, and the bushing on the axle side wears out so fast, and then I've had to like electrical tape it to like keep it from moving. And they make so much sound, but these are like solid mounted, so it's gonna be super nice.
What's step one on the install there?
I always go body side first. I don't think it really matters.
Just bolt it up.
Bolt it up loosely, and then
Oh, and
I'll
then
let-
straighten out the axle.
I'll adjust it out after, kind of where I want the wheels. I might take a couple adjusting tries. Nice fresh hard. Yeah, true. That was fun. I don't really know how this works.
What's the exhaust setup that's gonna be then?
Got the high rise header, and then I think I'm just gonna do. I kept the muffler off the E7, so I might just put that on it.
Oh, yeah.
I won't like adjust it today. I'll just put it on.
Is that it?
Yep.
What would you rate that, Ben, on install difficulty?
Install difficulty. Hard part was jacking up the car.
So
Easy.
it's walk in the park, man.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, Ben.
Hello.
Hi.
Fancy seeing you.
That's gonna be a little short for a video, so we're
Yeah.
gonna go over. He's gonna go over everything he's done to this.
Yeah, I've done a little bit of stuff since we painted it. It's almost ready to start actually. I just have to put a different starter in because this one's broken. Yeah. Once I hear it start, I want to put the interior back together. But I put my HKS 272 cams in it, and then the dual Sol X40s, and the high rise header, and also has a Tomei metal head gasket. So apparently it raises compression a little bit, but I don't know the numbers or anything like that.
Decent, hey?
Should be good. I think I painted a lot of them.
That's true.
The fab work on the high-rise header is almost as nice as Breeze Fab's.
Almost.
But not
I don't
quite.
know.
No, definitely not. Can you imagine if Breeze Fab made one out of chromoly? That'd be nice, man. Breeze Fab. Get on the high-rise.
Yeah.
All right, Ben, what
Decent.
should they comment? We're gonna give away 2 air fresheners, one of each, in this video. What are they gonna comment, Ben?
Favorite Spider-Man villain? Joke. Not the Joker. The guy with the bag over his face.
That's the only option.
Wait, what was that Batman?
How about just favorite Marvel
Yeah,
villain?
favorite Marvel villain.
Favorite Marvel villain. I think I like the Riddler.
Wait, Marvel or DC?
What the? Who knows the difference? Okay, you're a fucking like DC nerd. You're like, oh, fucking Avengers 17 was the sickest shit ever.
No, that's
Best
Marvel,
acting.
man.
I don't give a fuck because they all suck.
I don't know, man. Marvel movies are kind of good.
Yeah, first Iron Man, I was like, same with. Okay, anyway, off track. First, favorite Marvel or DC supervillain?
Yeah.
Comment that below, and also leave your Instagram handle so we know we can contact you if you're the winner. Remember to like this video because we'll also check that and be subscribed. And again, thanks to Breeze Fab for the sick parts for Ben's 8.6.
Yeah, thank you. That's sweet.
Yeah, best fab work I've ever seen. Again, his link will be in the description to both his Instagram and his website. You should also check out our website for some sick ass merch. But yeah, until next time.
Skidoo, man.
Skidoo. I think we're